Today I'm doing a Wednesday makeup transformation. And no, I won't be doing Wednesday Addams despite what I look like. Instead, I'm going to be doing the HYDE from the show. So the first thing I'm doing for today's look is I'm going to remove the wig and put on a bald cap. I'm gelling back my hair. This is kind of like a beefier Smeagol, to be honest. So I'm putting on my bald cap. It's been a minute actually since I put one on. I am gonna glue down my eyebrows, but I'm gonna powder them because this is where the eyes are gonna go. So I wait for it to get a little tacky before I touch it into place. And I'm gonna do that all around my head, like around my eyes and around my ears. I did do a tutorial on how to do a bald cap. And as that dries, I'm gonna powder it. I'm gonna try to start pulling out some hairs from the bald cap. I kind of look like the baby doll from Toy Story, or like Angelica a little bit, or one of those things. Suffice to say, I look ridiculous. So I'm actually going to take off my eye makeup now, and I'm going to start to airbrush my skin tone. This is awful. So currently I'm painting the mouth. There's going to be like an open mouth illusion. I'm also going to go ahead and kind of block out where the eyes are supposed to be. The next thing I'm going to do is start to add highlights using the airbrush. And then after that will be shadows. Alright, and so the last detail of the airbrush is with the black. These are great circles. So it's pretty terrifying without pupils. They're like little bright yellow pupils with like little tiny irises. So I am super happy with how this turned out. I think that this is going to be one of those makeups that takes me forever to take off. So I'm not looking forward to that. I have to take off a bald cap. I think I have glue in my hair. There's all sorts of things happening right now. I have glue in my eyebrows. I have glue on my face. There's just like so much to this look. But I think it came out really cool. And I've been seeing a lot of Wednesday related content, but I thought I would do something maybe that people wouldn't expect in my usual fashion. So this is it. And if you want to see me do more Wednesday Addams or just like Addams family transformations, let me know what I should do next. I'll see you next time.